Hey kiddos, I'm going to review some double-digit multiplication this week. I'm just going to go through 3 different ways that we've learned to do it. This one is the rectangle method, and if we were going to, this is the equation that we were solving, 62 multiplied by 43. So we break the number down, we'll put our 60 here, and then below the line we'll have our 2, and on the other side we're going to have our, at the top we'll have our 40 plus 3, because 40 plus 3 is equal to 43, and 60 plus 2 is equal to 62. So we're going to multiply the 60 multiplied by the 40, which gives us 2,400. And then we're going to do 60 multiplied, we're going to take the 60 and multiply it by the 3, which is equal to 180. Our next step is we're going to multiply the 2 by the 40, which will give us 80. And we'll multiply the 2 by the 3, which gives us 6. So then our next step is we're going to add this together, and then we'll add those together, and then we'll add it all together at the very end. So 2,400 plus 80 is going to give us 2,480, and then 180 plus 6 gives us 186. Then we will add these two numbers up together. So we'll take 2,480 and we will add it with 186. 0 plus 6 is 6. 8 plus 8 is 16. Bring that up here to that column. 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 6. Don't forget our comma. And 2 plus 0 is nothing, right? So our answer would be 2,666. If we were to do this with the lattice method, we break it down by writing our numbers above each of the boxes, or each box on each side. So our equation of 62 multiplied by 43 would be written this way, and then we draw a line through each of those diagonals. First we start off with 4 multiplied by 2, which gives us 8. We're going to write a 0 right there because our answer is 8. The next step is we're going to multiply the 4 by the 6, which gives us 24. So we'll write our 2 here and our 4 here. Our next step would to be multiply 3 by 2, which gives us 6. So we will put our 6 here, and a 0 goes in that spot because there's nothing in the 10 spot, right? The next thing we multiply is 3 multiplied by the 6, which gives us 18. So our 8 will go here, and our 1 goes here. And then the very last step is we add everything that are in these columns and put the answer here. So we're going to have 6, and there's nothing else, so 6 will be the only thing we have, right? Then we're going to add this. 8 plus 0 plus 8 gives us 16. So we'll put our 6 here, and we have one more to add to this. I will put it here, and I'm going to circle around it so I know that I need to add it to all of this and not forget it. 0 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1. Well, 4 plus 1 plus 1 is 6. So we're going to write our 6 here. And our last column right here, there's nothing else to add it to but our 2. So we're going to have our 2. And then our answer is here on the outside, right? 2,666. 2,666 would be our answer. So there's 3 different ways you could figure out your multiplication problems using it like that. Okay, kiddos? That would be the second way. And then the third way is our, the traditional way, where we would multiply the things in the first column. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Then we go to our next butterfly part. 3 multiplied by 6 is 18. Put our 8 here, our 1 here. Then we multiply the next column. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. And then we have 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. So then we add those. 6 plus 0 or nothing is 6. 8 plus 8 is 16. Bring our 1 up here. So we're regrouping. 1 plus 1 plus 4, it gives us a 6 and 2, and there's nothing else. So we would have 2,666. All of those ways give us the same answer. It's just whichever way is most comfortable to you. Okay, kiddos?